Do you hear that? Those are the roosters. I love hearing the roosters in the morning. It's so cute. It's about 6:20 a.m. on Friday, and I'm getting ready to go with my sister to one of the springs that's in Central Florida. We've both always wanted to go there. We've never been to a spring, just us two. So I'm really, really excited. I'm going with Christina. We're actually going to be going to, drumroll please, Silver Springs. I'm in my swimsuit already. I'm gonna quickly get changed and then we gotta hit the road. Lately, I've really been loving this shirt. It's just like a plain, cute little top, but I don't know what it is. It's just my favorite shirt.
5 minutes later.
I said that and then I just immediately threw a crew neck over it because even though it's a little warm outside, I love driving in soft sweaters. Especially in the morning, I just feel like I should be cozy. Something crawling around on the seat and I look and it's a freaking mouse and was climbing around on the seat next to me and I about freaked out. Pulled over, obviously, put on my emergency light, picked up the mouse, put it in the box, right? So I'm driving in a mouse without, again, this time it's on my center console and my car closer to me. Anyway, put the mouse back in the box again, right? And I'm like panicking because the mouse got out twice and I'm like, I just need to get this mother home. So I put it in my suitcase, not even 5 minutes after I screamed for that box, it was underneath my foot by the gas pedal. Put the car in park and jumped out of it, but I didn't actually put the car in park. I thought I put the car in park. I jumped out and my car was still moving. Still moving. My car was moving. And I was in the road. So I'm like slightly, I put the shit in the park and my car starts jerking and making a really loud noise. The mouse ended up falling in the road. I chased it down the road. I'm chasing a mouse through the neighbor's yard like an idiot. I finally get it and I held it on my lap when I was driving. We have a 2.5 hour drive and we're totally gonna be late. It's 7:30 and our reservation is at 10 o'clock. We're not gonna be late. We're definitely gonna be late because we also have to manually pump up our boards because the cigarette lighter doesn't work and that's normally how I plug in my pump. Did you bring the pump? No. Christina thinks that they're gonna have outlets at the paddleboarding site, but I've never seen that. You don't wanna be in it? You said I wasn't gonna be! Oh. Sign that says you have to pay an additional $4 per paddleboard, which is kind of bogus. So we're gonna walk to the ticket booth now, but Christina's finishing up her McDonald's in the car and I just wanted to come over here and look around a little bit. Look at how pretty this is. It honestly feels really magical. I love this.